before beginning. Please read the Quick Start Guide before uncrating your Sofwave device. Before beginning installation, be sure to have at least 1 liter or 1 quart of distilled water on hand for filling the cooling system. This can usually be found at your local pharmacy. Introduction. The Sofwave device is designed to be installed by the customer in the treatment room of a clinic. This video will show you how to uncrate the device and take you to a point from which you can continue by following the instructions found in the installation chapter of the operator's manual. The operator's manual is available for download from the Sofwave website at sofwave.com. Uncrating. Carefully remove the strapping from the box. Use caution as these bands are under tension. Now remove the box cover. Open the 3 locking straps, then open and remove the exterior box. While standing on the side facing the wooden ramp, cut and remove the plastic wrap securing the ramp, and carefully lower the ramp to the floor. Now remove all foam braces and the accessories boxes. Unlock all 4 wheels, beginning with the 2 rear wheels, those on the far side of the device away from the ramp, and then the 2 front wheels. Carefully roll the device down the ramp to the floor. Position the device in the desired location and relock all 4 wheels. Equipment list. Please check that the following items are in the enclosed accessories boxes. Contact your Sofwave representative or distributor if anything is missing. The Quick Start Guide, the Clinical Quick Reference Guide, the applicator cradle, the foot switch, the gel holder, the funnel and tube, and the power cable. Getting ready. Connect the hose with the funnel to the filling port. See the illustration in the Quick Start Guide. Hook the applicator cradle and gel holder on the handle of the device. Connect the applicator and the foot switch to the appropriate sockets on the device. Choose and connect the correct power cord according to the current used in your country, 230 volts or 110 volts, filling the cooling system. Turn the system on. Pour water into the funnel until you receive a message on the screen. Turn the device off and then on again, and continue filling until water no longer flows into the device and you receive a message on the screen that the cooling system is full. The system should be working smoothly with no alerts on the screen.